Today we will be discussing linear and nonlinear functions. The things that make the functions linear are variables cannot have an exponent larger than 1. Also, variables cannot be multiplied, divided by each other, and variables must be a numerator. So, there are simple rules that will get you through algebra, and here are some examples. This? Yeah, okay. This is nonlinear, and this is linear. Why? Because linear has a word line in it. Line. That's the word line. Line. And this is a curve, and this is a line. So it will be helpful, very helpful. So remember, when you're always thinking about linear, make sure it has to be a straight line going through. So here's one of our examples. Which function is nonlinear? Now on this one, there is y equals 2x, and then on this one, y equals x to the second power minus 4x to the third power plus 5. Now I'll let you look at this, remembering that variables cannot have an exponent larger than 1, and they must be a numerator, so go ahead and switch that up. Alright, so that should be enough time for you to figure out that the bottom one, y equals x to the second power minus 4x to the third power plus 5, is nonlinear. Ooh, surprising. Alright, next one is y equals 2x to the third power plus 7 times plus 7x, sorry, minus 1, and then the next one is y equals 5x plus 3. So, remembering also again that you have to have a numerator when you have a variable, and it cannot have an exponent larger than 1. So, just go ahead and look at that for a while. I can already see which one. It's the top one, my friends, because this is larger than 1, and you cannot have that in a variable. So which function, again, is nonlinear? We have y equals 2, parentheses, x minus 3.5. And the next one is y equals 0.6 plus 0.x to the fourth power and plus 2. So, remembering that you need to find the one that is nonlinear, and there's an easier way to remember which one's nonlinear, which is the one that has the larger exponent, and that is the bottom one with y equals 0.6x to the fourth power plus 2. So, it's an easy way, that's how I remember it. Next one is y equals 2/5 x to the fifth power minus 4x minus 4x to the third power plus 5, and then there's y equals 3/5 x minus 5 plus 2/5 x, and we're just going to look at that. Can you see it? I know I can. Alright, so the answer is the top one. Why? Because it has an exponent larger than 1.